Hey guys, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing a Fantaseal smartphone grip. Really excited about this. You can purchase it off Amazon. Go ahead, check out the video link in my description below and it'll take you to Amazon. You can check out the product, see photos, reviews, that sort of thing. So here is the hand grip. Really cool. So this holds your smartphone right here and then you can grip it with your hand. Comes with a nice little tether for you to put around your wrist strap if you want, and a microfiber cloth. So now we'll go ahead and we'll open it up. But here's how the packaging comes to you. Really cool. Looks really nice. Seems to have a great build quality just from here. Again, the brand's Fantaseal. You can get on Amazon. It's like 13 bucks, 12 bucks, right around there. So great accessory to have. And it's also got, I can see just from the packaging still, you can actually put your smartphone two different ways on here. So that's really cool. We'll go ahead now and we'll open it up. Looks great. First thing, there's a microfiber cloth. We'll set it out of the way, but really impressed with this. Good, easy to grip either hand. Fits right in. Got grooves for your fingers to just hold right on, and then you can use your smartphone. So I'll go ahead and bring my phone out, and you can just kind of see. So it just snaps right into place. Whoops, if I can do it. Just like that. So if you want to, I guess, get a video going that way, you could, or you can rotate this however you want. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. So say I want to do it like that, and then record a video. So now I can start filming as I'm walking around. So just a really easy grip for your smartphone. And then what I want to show you guys, see right here, they actually have it threaded as well, so we could do this on the grip too. So you may want to do something this way again. It's just nice to have the option, so I'm glad that they gave you that. And then it's great because it's threaded. You could use this on any sort of tripod. So if you have another accessory like a tripod, you can use this for your smartphone holder now too. So really a great product. Really happy with it. The brand's Fantaseal. The build seems great. Seems really durable. I like that they have this little clip here. And this also is threaded with a seal, which is pretty neat. So you have a couple different options. I guess if you wanted to attach this to your tripod even, it sure looks like that would be the same thread size, and it is. So you can even attach that to your tripod, then you could mount this if you needed to. So really happy with it. Again, won't break your budget by any means, and it's just a great little product to have in your arsenal if you like to take smartphone videos, photos, that sort of thing. So really appreciate you guys watching this video. We'd love for you to like, comment, share. Look forward to interacting with you in the chat below, and I will see you all in my next video.